but nempompo so na say the important aspect of it na say me ba yura ho na me ba yura ho a me be say time a me wo yura ho no a me ni di enkomo no me be say me nkrofo a me ni omo ba ye me businessmen a omo bo me chi dom o Germany a me ndi omo ba be dru Ghana ha no e be say yura so ene embassy no eme ye hwe no ye select businessmen on betimi amachi omo say bio say the be ya omo so betimi change contacts so the visit will not just be a one-time visit. No. Input you a mudo. Input you a konanim. Everybody Asanteman any Ghana man. That was the reason. That was the main reason why Papa niye de ebaye.
Eda munyana so sada mo kan hwede na nananom nsem ede ebremu ene so yatena se ede na nananom nsem ene de ebremu enyina ye nim nsem se bosumi wo mu emu ena German president ede na nim onyam ba o man Ghana mu bedi nansa na oba ye no wo ba Asanteman temu oba se bi wotukruwe ene krawe enwoma so Euro Asantehene otumfo se tutoto so mienu ena so ene oba Oba na nante se nyina ye boko. Eye introduction of STEM education no. A my Ghana ya hyase no. Eno ana ye kan fidi dwuma hodo so de ma o man ekonanim no. Germany so edimu ntintiman ba isan se car ye twi bebia car di kan firi ba ye nyina no eye Germany. Eno nti ena ehia se o man nim you no e ka wo ho bomu e wo sa kwan no eso. And into by what they can or their soccer ball for more a Kumasi Technical University or Mobabe Sidans from Kwa and no baby for stay mono. They also be on so or near Euro Asantehene Ishiaye. Now you who say a year you despite or near Euro a Uferisa pon and a Sika4 or more a Asante Adeshare. And an Euro Asantehene edi no edi won echia German president no. Na no ni ebopini ni ibusa se. Eya anada Euro Asantehene mpanyi ba wone na nanom na hia wo. Na ne de ye den. Ede na aba ene sesa ye foforo be na aba mu a. Eye aya Asante Adeshare businessmen en Euro Asantehene edi omo echia German mampanyi. Sana enijesem ena enam echira na se eka ho ebie German president bae no nyo no nko na bae ono so the businessmen a o mo run big companies ewo abrochie no do o mo bae eno nti o mo ba no so companies akese a ewo Germany mako 60 ana se eye edu ensia eno do mo ka ho no do mo ebaye enunta yongo femu no wo be cha Euro Asantehene no wo se tra won akwaba mu ama yonko fa ewo aman na mienu mu no emu so ayeden efa edwadie so emu enunti Ghana de hia eye Euro despite mo yehu se ne Euro Asantehene de wo mo kire na se na ye adwuma ene ayonko fa ene sikamu enti ne koso sa na sede ensem no nkiremu ankasa esitie ne de momi enkotie sede esiko no ene sede egihyeye no esi etie
in the near can German president Babe drew her on the 4th November, that's Tuesday. The main purpose our buyer no say on era eba babishia now oma bedidin kinta ho with respect to business and other related kind of a na oshe delegation the German president ede eba babedru Asanteman mu ha na ese ofenye delegation ketwa before then na yene near omo office, that's the German embassy for no edili amoma me hu papa no the willingness of person like how willing our person ne kofu bi aha e kan ho e ba be hu yura enti ma me fa go through kakra bi on empanyimfo a ode omo e ba be dru ye yura enim ebi ho a yenyina de hu ya ne de e course wo yura ho no but other sections so was that no ba ho a Bones say ura ho say ura ho no osun for say to Jubilee Hall e offices bebre enti yegina fanfare no hu say e course the main long room say be ho na ura etna e receive no but concurrently no
nani mo enkomo odie bi nso kokoso
offices no e host to the businessmen for na almost sabio a carefully selected businessmen are no enso ho ene emrofo no businessmen no mo di papa na chi e onkofo bi te say businessmen bi te say Achimbeka me pobo omunyina din managing director Inzac Germany German kukudam ye kan Germany kukudam omu areas bebre say ba business besikapa sabi obi din ebia ya tia yehu Rasmus woman so what anything that also we have containers bebre on the woman as a shipping you know or a contractor or a big time contractor until you say no so her ne pair the man or her ya the mrs say ya the concert
because of construction
no
etina metiasia president neba no was selected businessmen also ebona chidom eno mo buy
no mo na flight so buy
eno bedru ko so kriye ran so ema o mo ni o mo share businessmen at the various sectors no
thank you sana ye pay iti papa na ba no o me hu say no crese me ba state visit but ne pompon so ana say the important aspect of it ninga na say me ba yura ho na me ba yura wa me be say time me wo yura ho no a me ni di enkomo no e be say me nkrofo a me ni o mo ba ye me businessmen a o mo bo me chi dom o Germany a me ni o mo ba be dru Ghana ha no e be say yura so ene embassy no emi ye hwe no ye select businessmen o betimi amachi o say bio say the be ya almost betimi change contacts so the visit will not just be a one time visit no
impuntu be brain
impuntu a emudo impuntu a ekonanim ebeba Asanteman ene Ghana mem
so
that was the reason that was the main reason why papa ne de ebaye it is not just a mere courtesy call or the 11 business men ena ekana ho ede ne baye top notch businessmen it's just so here there now we had Dr. Kwame despite Dr. Ernest Oforisapon omono if the despite group of companies na yawo yura kokuten or your angel group of companies do you know say angel group of companies the plant no the plant now operating no if you Germany into Martin and kan wo ho
me drink bi kra no friend next level so produce no Germany
good into Martin and kan wo ho and then the video ye twagu a papa na chia o chia o ten no Dr. Kokuten no omo ka bi chia no say we na ye kan wa so team import this number to wow
what no hu ni
pakro what you say
me say abusiamba bia obi abetumi adwane on Facebook na hwe pictures ni videos aye ichrewi
ye take a from a hades na o chia Dr. Oforisapon no and despite and so no na atia hano na yewra kire omo so de omo timi ye do say no omo ni businessmen for na share din komo we exchange contacts yewra despite na sabi ye wie no obechia yewra ni yewra Oforisapon mo be da yewra say
so they was saying trom
wa boy abroso because ye ba ye do say ye ni momo ye tin komo but ye ba ye ni gani ye
now are you businessman here link you to the presidency for Germany
what I say
ya biem kesi
gani we who said nipa we na say oye panyi wa de na ye ne nti ye ni o ma exchange top contacts ye be follow up na ese ye ko ho a ye be ko ho na de ese ye pa de bo bia no ye be ye de aboa nti they were very 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 happy we yewra excellency no concert also concert
into construction
concert also be share or also counterpart and the nkomoko animu bebre eti businessmen no mobile no I think say from the information they were very, 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 very happy.
They will
for what Yami Adom, Yami Fa Iraso, it me connected to Ghanaian businessmen, also the echo manim. Ye GD say, Ensi, you mentioned something about the magazine, and so on say a honor mano. Na German for no interest to papa okay before the proud to ambassador ne buy proud to say pay buy I say in the meeting era publicly say what you get out of the meeting is what is important to him, not
Nipanaba or
Babechiana, because your trust our stage, you know, and then we need to get benefits from every meeting there.
Member to us, Obusamba will be a Wutimi, Mene, Mr. Emmanuel Safo, a deputy head protocol man share and a church como Abia Fenado Fidinatua. Nano Nenansa and a German man panini eba Crodremo or Drugana or Coach man Pinano Sidebi, Meba Asanteman, my barber Chayura. Now I said, Mr. Safocano, young radi or no yes, Nipano Betchiano ne feno and in a you Debbie. I say, and say, Omugretti paying us the same. Mampani Bayano, so Barber standing there and move faso diano. Asanteman and faso dear Benny woman, ye beat me, Anya. Yet I'm so Safocase. Say, Mampani Bano, young Ramana who say, Yen Punto near poo. Into urban businessmen I can see more chocho German businessmen chocho no or no mumra and momun yet in a chin in the buy. And to urban and so yaman who yen so ye businessmen chocho or hanumeno and I'm Mr. Sessafo Case. NGO group of companies Dr. Kwakutin you ramane buy. Despite or by or for upon any motion video now moving paying 4 businessmen mokroma send ye beya. So on your chrono construction or yet said the consa na Yamano anya construction company paying 4 more honor munbi. Ne yenina yedinsa yedinsa was one I say yenina no yetimia cambum nam punto na yepu kumasanaba. Say NG group of companies are into beverages no. Niama non so alenke up na wa into one impuntua Saviunra ekra edi eba omahimo. Yano komo enam ne misa ose safo edi safina do fidia to anma. De ye kan nyina nso etwagu e wo Facebook ayo pemso radio e wo Facebook nti obetimi ahwe na leave comment o. Me safo yento aso. Na
commander mamentwe wadwen si be so. On say de be ya obehu say sabio ye tu mra ne ya dey.
Ya Chelsea
and say right after the meeting no course no that was na Tuesday me boy.
No correct.
The Wednesday, also as part of the delegation now, Papa no president Nedio Mobile no. Now on a special guest.
Okay.
Groups no much three. We have the president and the ministers. And they are a special guest.
Okay.
And the only business delegation.
Okay.
So what I say near chemu three. The special guest no very much of importance to him. And no footballer Okaya Gerard Samoa. Gerard Samoa no Ghanaian
Bobo Germany.
He also the founder of the Gerard Samoa Foundation for Children with Heart Disease. And a football manager. Papa no special guest. And also Omo World crowd on Cranhan San Omoba. On the doctor and professor Professor no hat you know. Omo was to go on Cranhan San Omoba. Special guest also no more Professor Dr. Christian Drosten, also a director Institute of Virology, Charité University of Medicine Berlin. Special guest in the paper also can Professor Dr. Ezel Haverich, also emeritus professor of surgery, Hanover Medical School. Neo Luna Simon, also a musician and artist. It the say Wednesday no Tuesday ni twema papa no koy no. Penyumfo ya mebo mudin doctors for ne Gerard Samoa mo twen
Okay.
Omo twen eba be hia yura. Iso mo hwe ya e wo omba be pay ketasi ko on yura. And a team of doctors omo fi Germany.
We enra ya. Enra
Tuesday ni hia.
And me janse mani twa wi enra ya.
Until Wednesday some meeting ne ko so a omo ni na ye show we yesu yi. A team of doctors no already some ba be set up a hospital.
Okay.
ewo Ashanti
for that advanced surgery.
That advanced surgery ni sa normal ni nyina omo ba be ye sa dwumadie ni nyina officially omba be introduce omo ho eche yura. Enti on say we the benefits of visiting of course any 24 hours na home popoye no that I say e hu bi no bebre na nam kwan so ye dey eba enti wo hwe the German embassy for na edit to ho a say wa call page na hwe o mo free ha de o mo de to ho a o say it was a scene me kind say the so mo twero no na we
go be abetwa akokan
e bia na kumani acheche makotwi dia o say it was a scene of pomp, pageantry and a beautiful celebration of culture as Federal President Frank-Walter Steinmeier visited His Majesty Otumfuo Osei Tutu II at the Menchia Palace on the second day in Ghana. The meeting was one of friendship and mutual respect, rooted in the long-standing ties between Germany and Kumasi, and in the deep personal regard between the president and the king.
Yes, very specific. Was it Germany and Kumasi?
I said the meeting was one of friendship and mutual respect, rooted in the long-standing ties between Germany and Kumasi. Sabu enye ne wenye nasem. So
yetete buo ne odred da Germany man and Kumasi man and Asanteman.
And in the deep personal regard between the president and the king.
No man no bua wo bu ne suma yura som bodeman nti no buy no so ban na ase.
What you say? And all the business their discussions focused on shared priorities.
And the man money no makoma so no.
And a common commitment to deepening Ghana-Germany relationship.
Say and share back a cranty, ye could Germany crania castle for Kumasana Quadam.
Also, deepening relationship, one can say the deepening Ghana Asante relationship. And I give deepening Asante Germany relationship. Or see deepening Ghana Germany relationship. You're also a symbol
for minor.
Oh, says you intina. You're your body near boy once, young to tona say. What I said, the influencer or war across the globe, no.
Me say yeah kan e wo Facebook open so radio wo de wa fo ni be hwebi sanse ba bi say bia na wantimi ama ho bia wo de ye mo onya akonya no fo ni hwebi
last session I say we ayifo ayo German embassy for a page so na make free I say President Steinmeier acknowledged the influence but also wuti acknowledged the influence and moral authority of the Asantehene and praised his key role in conflict mediation, describing him as a role model for how traditional leadership and democratic governance can take responsibility together for the common good.
What you say, Omonya Daje, Ashe, Rajumadi, Woody, and then said the Assemba within a nutuma, na a trap pepe. No Cran said the Nanonia United Nations and Yasa Qua, so a young etimi ko kasa chair. Now, Tidia or Moka, there's a moonim, young Ranjuma dear Woody, Yasin.
The whole pampa, baby, there's so no. You're a whole pampa. Oh, it's all your can't you some you get a yame and the diadom. And Asanteman so the free throw. So what I think the Cambos I was in a walk or can I was in a group. And Panzo so share the how subuse say Unya Kungana Beira cannot share how passionate about development, about the welfare of his people. They hear now what a while, what's it? Or bet me a casam a facade and honor I was a cry a day.
Aha. Asama Mura Safo Ekan. You know, any of the two Facebook one, and a down way you almost Ubehu German Embassy Accra. And almost can say, almost as one more can almost for free some Kumasi. German Embassy Accra is at Kumasi Menchia Palace. They are proud of whatever they want to say, and they are saying, oh, page. So then you reckon it was a scene of pomp, pageantry, and a beautiful celebration of culture as Federal President Frank-Walter Steinmeier visited His Majesty Otumfuo Tutu II at the Manshia Palace on his second day in Ghana. Until one penny by and a day to some you know, and no the bell Kumas and also buy no abusia, then yasam ketwa. So ya mamreni ya manye chogu. So oba Ghana no mean someone who be beside that. Said you move AC canon. Oh, you know, the meeting was one of friendship. A young da a man was one of friendship and mutual respect. A boom de momo rooted in the long-standing ties between Germany and Kumasi. And young one was so by and no plain also be who yunra. And in the deep personal regard between the president and the king. Asanteman, I told you, yeah, na this is one nama memoir, but what? Aye.
The chairman, or you made the course in Nana, and yet a fair and but Sabu and normal ye free the business connections a critique, the connections are a buyer, any just a normal if free mabano, a dorsal. Na a bebois ama Asanteman any Ghanaian in a day a tumpon.
I would say there was a Safukan. And paying for a mobile businessman, the chance a bema ye hanumons ye businesses no agro. A grown say a bema yet me for nipa more assign a renumum. Ye any name punto na de brain. Now imagine say ya more mobile or more automobile or more into automobile near be car assembling plant or hanuma home never and ya Kwakutin being a jumama and ya Ghana for no form or says upon any despite to be mujumama and ya Ghana for an auntie raining fasodia yunra said Okanas and yafa fedian say or mampanino mum pesa or bebabes and nimum o badia said your kind or dead and tem dada a boy de and tem dada a young fair de and tem dada any infantry puntu na yemfam puntumre kumasamani Asanteman Ghana manina. I was there and some kitoma mu Facebook in the monitor na sabi ubisa ho se enye yunra e be den e na abanisa
Edikovi I think say the ye nyina ye hu no ye be da rade ase say sabi wama yankwa wama ye the privilege also to be working for His Majesty Otumfuo Tutu II na yesum yetimi a witness Sajumadia a course be. You ran your video, Mrs. Siano. I am who say Yamano, Macase, the gift tonight, the man, yeah. I order my Kawasan Cacrachemi. Mount say, you right, not Jabihina, a crown of Jabihina, a presented none of the affair. Unim say, or no so a year, you know, or no the kind presenting a gift. Am I you right? And the gift, no surprisingly, no. What you rahwan that was you rahwan who say you the golf for 70 of Niagara. Oh, I see. It is all the golf cut in the brain. Oh, sir. Hey, and then the next you off with the area that's a good try. Oh, any good go back. I see. And me same room bank you rub never got Chinese skills. And one boss need Otumfuo a goon. Oh, bank. I see. Or no one say rat. The Jumadia, oh dear, and the nature power. Trust me, the next year, who in one. Pardon them, everyone can you go from there. And now, in return, also no. As always we dear so your man no assisted mahun say na it the channel na edaso e bosso no e che the symbol of the Asante enti ukona udisi officer papa ne ka say na ni agi ade no ho say okwa ne office no ne presidential office no o de kwa kusi ho e ya de a e so na ni yie say ura ama ne bibi say eyi no boss no gold ndo e amfa mo so ye the silver na boss gold ndo en time fa mo sa ye the silver na the boss but we so priceless oh yes sabi o say if you Asante the go on enya de keto o na we wo the to so a we a sika da ho na ngesika keto o na o kan sa na nya sa de SF na indi say ska ko pepe the one says ska so bo but say we no so silver na silver no the way a
design anyway no cry feke
so we just a hand kwa na be hu bi o
benya bi na nya sa
anya sa de a unya bi enti we say papa no ka che yura time we no ka che yura say ade ne fa say o
no say nani ajiwo ni mu
okwa o de kwa akosi ne ho
no mu
what you say e de bibia akosi
nipa mpanfom di na chi ni bi
mpanfom di na chi no say ha mame enka oma amudi na chi no like oma no mo wosa office wo no be enchel na oma wosa office wo na on the head of the office of the state secretary enenam on the minister of state federal foreign office ena ebaye on the parliament state secretary federal ministry
memo ato so de ehwesese no e de na
or sign the visitors book or sign the visitors book no tro the obaye enti the unhu no ho a ne some meaning na de omo de to omo page ne so no
exactly
asema o tro ho no ne some meaning na omo de to page ne so a o che how profound and how happy he was say bibisa the course no
ayi answer na obebo omo you heard the last paragraph na o maka se bo no ache say to the bia hu obi san free baby sa be kan so a o say President Stamian acknowledge the influence and moral authority of the Asantehene and praise his key role in conflict mediation, describing him as a role model for how traditional leadership and democratic governance can take responsibility together for the common good.
Thank you.
As soon as you know to
we don't you can say elaborator. So go school near the visit to near can say elaborator. The way to me throw the bed your so that's assembling in no mabon to fa na omo de to no. E go fina enye visit ketwa. Sabi o yura enam nimdie ene the way he is respected around the globe on internet. Emma chromosome panyfo bebre man panyfo bebre be so mo ye dey
eba ho
omo hu no
o yo man panyi bi na hu so German man panyi kura ba say ya wo ka so o be press
enu so na nam so I was here say ne travels in there you say Barbados yi so wa ko Barbados
me kai pa so almost about 2 years a bit over 2 years
a chepa
no Barbados they are Trinidad near about 2 years yeah.
And so you can see there still the my extended an invitation to him for a state visit the façon so guba for na you know
yes na otwedi animu
by ya so I say Barbados for welcome era enti eno so fi ho a the president of Suriname and also welcome as the special guest of honor for Omu Independence Anniversary.
I see.
And Zabio
Chazanya de Kitwa.
Otehana, Otebaby now to I am Pia. Zabio
no unim. Aha. I brand was Nemudinibia.
Debbie. And we are you're very, very, very focused on the development of the Ashanti and Ghana as a whole. Enti normal bia baby obeko bia no e dim puntu beba e dim koso beba eno na na ede ade a e mano na given the morale to do what is doing. Enti we dey e beda yura say na yeshira no
ade ba konso a medam panyumfo ase ya na ne the cultural display.
That is it.
Me no ka say yenreba gitapudio na ebanya no. Yeah, at no point and Asanteman yet to see a mamreni amani as
no on say adia me who say me de mababe who go vi adia it was not massage so the adia to na one massage ade no
wa anya so one what do adwen
what do adwen ke bia se ni de bia no follow
sanity
on say you don't miss it
and okay
if follow that pattern no obi a wo de oyo ntu
bronia bo bai and Bananso put
Obia what do ye? And I say a bunny of fresh and a base ya. We dim the obey, waiting the obey, waiting the maintain boma. Now, my never Tina, the piano man, she be almost 8. Now, did the city of food, the say good to anybody. I say a lineage, and they did this wa into Oma, Nema, when he just said. Also, the Uma also had the Uyebi. eti gobi
na no obi enemy interview
enchemu ne hyehyɛ nya ne yakɔkɔte ne kyerɛ sɛ ɛyɛ atadwe Asanteman ne Ghana nyina ɛna ate de ne ɛsan sɛ ɔman no betima fa no ntoma pɛfra gye sɛ ankorankora adwuma no so sɛ bi ɛma no home no so ɛtrɛtrɛ ɛkɔ baabi biara ɛno ne bɛma mmɛbunu no bɛnya adwuma ayɛ na afei nso so de sika ba yɛbɔtom ma ahotɔ nso abaka sɛ medin no ɛde maame fuzo twɛdɛ mpo Nyankopɔn yɛ adoma yɛbɛhyia makram